I believe the June Stitch Quarterly from Fat Quarter Shop has arrived. I'm super excited. We're going to cut it open. If you're not familiar, the Stitch Quarterly is a quarterly subscription program, and you get a project and all the supplies to do the project. It's really exciting. I believe this month's theme is Hello Summer, but I might be wrong, but I think that's what it is. So here is the bag. It always comes with a project bag. And this is a nice mesh bag. It's something new they're trying. Last year they were doing the canvas bags. So that's pretty cool. My cat is joining in. Let's see what we have inside. So you get it in this package. It looks like this. Everything's always included. And cute little ribbon. I always save these because I can use them if my cat doesn't haul it away. And looks like we have DMC this month. So this is all the thread we're going to need to do the project. And look at that bright colors. We have, let me get my glasses so I can see this. Okay. Ooh, a Hello Summer enamel needle minder. This is super cute. I love it. It is a ice cream cone. Very excited. Excuse me, Jasper, we don't need your help. We have a John James needle. I'm going to guess it's probably a size 26. We usually get a fun notion as well. It looks like we have cross stitch finishing dots, double-sided acid-free, 250 dots. So finishing dots. I'm not sure what we do with finishing dots. Oh, they're sticky. They're not really sticky. I mean, they're kind of like skid proof. 3/4 of an inch. So I'm going to have to find out what I do with these. I'm sure whatever it is I do with them, it's pretty cool. Other cat, excuse me. Excuse me. Here is our fabric for the month, and we have Witchelt, which is one of my favorites. Navy 14 count Aida, and then it's an 11.5 by 12 and 3/4. It's a nice color. Oh, this is super cute. Oh, they outdid themselves. This is the pattern this month. Hello Summer. And it is all those ice cream clones. This is awesome. I absolutely love this project. This is so awesome. Okay, so it says we have the Hello Stitch cross pattern. We are cool for the summer with Hello Stitch Summer by It's So Emma. The design is a whole popsicle party with your favorite assortment of frozen treats. The Navy 14 count Aida by Witchelt. Get lost in the deep blue of this navy Aida, a perfect backdrop for bright light floss colors, and I would agree with that. Number 3 was the Hello Summer Needle Minder. It is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. The Frozen Treat Enamel Needle Minder keeps your needle right where you need it. The John James size 26 cross stitch needle. The 3/4 inch cross stitch finishing dots. They're all around great notion to achieve fantastic. Oh, that's for a fully finish. This acid-free double-sided adhesive is strong and permanent and so easy to use. So it's for finishing. Oh, that's awesome. The DMC 6-strand embroidery floss. And all the colors you need to stitch up this sweet design. And then, of course, the Hello Summer project bag. Designed to complement the Hello Summer pattern, the project bag will keep you your stitching feeling cool for the summer. So a fantastic Stitch Quarterly this month. I absolutely love it. Show you everything here in one foul swoop. And the project bag, of course. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop. Excellent job.